Luxury Motorsports is proud to present this one-owner 2018 Chrysler 300 Series Limited Sedan in Billet Silver Metallic Clearcoat. This Chrysler 300 is the perfect choice if you are looking for all-American, big, bold, stylish, muscular, yet refined ride. Loaded with high-tech features, respectable fuel economy, and not to mention the remainder of its factory warranty, this has standalone appeal that will leave you seriously impressed. Luxury Motorsports specializes in selling the highest quality pre-owned automobiles in Arizona while standing behind everything we sell. Under the hood of this rear-wheel drive is a Pentastar 3.6-litre V6 engine, generating 292 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. EPA estimated fuel economy is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. In track testing, it sprinted from 0 to 60 miles an hour in only 6.8 seconds. At Luxury Motorsports, all vehicles go through a rigorous service inspection in our state-of-the-art service facility before being sold. This luxurious limited trim boasts heated and ventilated front seats and heated rear seats and steering wheel. It also features Bluetooth and a backup camera. The cabin is spacious and enjoys high-quality materials. We invite you to come and experience its supple and smooth ride quality and fun-to-drive performance. Just remember to watch your speed, as the luxury quiet cabin and secure handling of this large sedan could cause you to drive faster than you realize. This is the perfect choice for utility, flexibility, and comfort when it comes to your daily driving requirements. Luxury Motorsports is open 6 days a week and by appointment only on Sundays. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.